Hello and welcome all of you. You're watching K Commerce Academy with me, Kunal Singhal. Once again, one more mock viva in the subject of economics for class 12th commerce students. The topic will be Make in India. बहुत दिनों से डिमांड हो रही थी कि इकोनॉमिक्स के वाइवा जरूर अपलोड कीजिए सर. सो आई एम अवेलेबल विद यू ऑल विद द मॉक वाइवा ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स. Shubham Kesarwani is going to appear for that. So without wasting much time, let's begin with that. Good morning, Shubham.
Good morning, sir.
So just give a short introduction about yourself.
Sir, my name is Shubham Kesarwani. I study in Pratap Public Schools and I belong from Pratapgarh.
So currently you are studying in class 12th and you just want to appear for the mock so that your main practical can be conducted in a better manner, right?
Yes. Yes.
Fine. Give a brief introduction of your project, whatever you have prepared.
Sir, I have made the project on the topic Make in India. And in this topic, I have described importance and when it was launched and by whom it was launched and merits, what are the merits and demerits of the Make in India. That's all the questions which are raising from our mind. I try to describe in this project.
So the first question is why you have chosen this particular topic, Make in India. Though there were a lot of topics throughout our syllabus in macroeconomics and in Indian economy, there were a lot of other topics. Why you have chosen this particular topic, Make in India?
I chosen this topic because this was a unique topic and this unique in itself and probably it encouraged me to make the project and search on these topics and also although I will not say that I know everything about this project, but yes, I will try to give my best and give all the answers of your questions.
When this campaign was launched? On
so
which
25
date?
September of 2014.
25th September 2014. What is the slogan of this Make in India campaign?
Sir, the logo of the Make in India is a salute of lions.
No, I'm not asking about logo. Okay, you just continue. You just continue about the logo.
Sir?
Yeah, continue with your answer.
The logo is the salute of lions on the prowl, which entirely of cocks.
So why these cogs are included in this logo? What is the significance of including these cogs?
So because these this show the and this show the manufacturing and strength and pride of national pride.
It symbolizes the strength in the industrialization of our country. It symbolizes the boosting of the industrialization in our country. Fine.
Yes.
Anyways, what is the slogan for this Make in India movement?
Sir.
Slogan. You have mentioned that slogan in your project. I can see that.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is about logo?
No, slogan. Zero defect, zero effect.
Oh, yes.
Slogan you have mentioned. Anyways, tell me what are the challenges for this Make in India campaign? What are the challenges in front of government and in front of the economy?
So first of all, in India is a labor-intensive technology. So this is a challenge to adopt labor-intensive technology, and that's it.
Only one challenge is there. In your project, you have mentioned 6 points for the challenges that a Make in India campaign has to face. 6 points you have mentioned in your project. Anyways, moving further, you just used a word that labor-intensive technique has to be used. Why India has to use the labor-intensive technique? Why the India cannot make use of capital-intensive technique?
So labor intensive technique because India is more dependent on agriculture and also unskilled labor in India.
So
In uh,
in agriculture, in place of the laborers, if I make use of tractors, plowers, and other new machines, then it will be called as capital intensive technique. So this can be the answer, that because it is based on agriculture, that's why we are making use of labor intensive technique. In agriculture also, you can make use of machines, so that will become a capital intensive technique. What can be the reason why India is bound to use or should use? Actually, it is not using these days. India is now moving towards the capital intensive techniques. We can see the ATM machines installed by the banks. That is an example of capital intensive technique. We are just moving towards the digitalization. We are making use of online transactions more. Again, these are the capital intensive techniques. But again, I would say that India should make use of labor intensive technique. So why is it so?
so because lack of education and
Can the
so
population be one of the factor?
yes, sir. Also
Because
population may
India
be
is a densely populated country. If we
yes,
will make use of labor intensive technique, it will generate employment for the population. If
yes,
we will make use of labor intensive technique, it will generate employment. So that is why it is recommended for the country like India to have a labor intensive technique.
labor,
Fine. Okay.
yes.
What is your view about this Make in India campaign? Do you support it or do you just criticize it?
Sir, I support it because
So, yeah, give your views.
sir, because when we see before the 2014 that the GDP rate and also foreign reserves in India increased by after 2014, sir.
What was
So
GDP in
and
2013? What was the GDP in 2013?
sir, I don't know.
What is GDP in 2020?
Sir,
GDP rate. If we are saying that it
yes,
has increased, then we must be available with the data also. Fine. अगर आपको अभी नहीं भी याद है तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आप उसे सर्च करके और पता कीजिएगा कि 2013 में जीडीपी क्या था, and then in 2014 how much it has increased, in 2020 how much it has increased. So you must be aware about those all datas. Fine. तो उसे सर्च करके लिख लेना आप, ठीक है?
yes,
Okay, what are the disadvantages of this campaign? Disadvantages.
yes, sir. To so first of all, in it neglected agriculture sector.
Okay. Further.
And due to agriculture sectors and land evaluation of land holding also.
Again, you have mentioned
And
5 points of disadvantages in your project. I can just read your project here. So you have mentioned 5 points of disadvantage in your project.
yeah,
Like depletion of the natural resources, the loss of small entrepreneurs, bad relations with the China. So total 5 points you have mentioned here. Fine. The thing is, whatever you have prepared your project, whatever things you have included in your project, all things, each and every point, each and every sentence, each and every word must be known to you. Because at the time when you are going to appear for the practical examination for the main viva, the project file will remain in the hands of the external examiner. Fine.
yes,
So what you need to do, you must be aware कि मैंने फाइल में क्या क्या लिखा है वो सारा आपको याद होना चाहिए. Clear? Let's move further. What were the objectives of this campaign? Objectives of Make in India campaign.
so first increase the GDP rate by 25%. This main objective, and to make the India manufacturing hub.
Yeah.
And and increasing the employment rate also,
Okay.
and to increase the industrialization in the country, and
Boost up the
increase
industrialization.
and forex reserve also also main aim to increase.
Good. This was a satisfactory answer because you have given at least 3 to 4 points. Fine. Now, tell me what are the sectors covered by this Make in India campaign? What are the sectors that have been covered?
So in Make in India, 25 sectors included, and such as IT sectors, automobiles, chemicals, and it is there are 25 sectors included in it.
Can you give me few 2-3 names more? Will you be
Sir,
able to recall 2-3 more names?
so and chemicals are automobile sectors, and
Okay, fine. Now, what is the relation of foreign direct investment with Make in India campaign? Is there any relation between these two?
yes, sir.
So just reveal that.
So foreign direct investment, first of all, make India to encourage the foreign company to produce their product in India, and through this FDI also increases in India. So this is a main relation.
And what will be the benefit if we will invite the foreign entrepreneurs to India? What benefit we will get? अगर हमने फॉरेन इन्वेस्टर्स को इनवाइट किया तो हमारे कंट्री को क्या बेनिफिट मिलेगा?
First of all, increase the forest reserve, and if we have a foreign reserve, we can import the capital and necessary machine which is required for the growth and development of the country.
Okay. So overall, how many days you took in preparation of this project?
Sir, 4 to 5 days.
4 to 5 days. Very fast. And what problems did you faced regarding the preparation of this project? Was there some challenges in preparation of this project?
Sir?
Ji, I just asked you that when you prepared this project, did you encountered certain challenges? कुछ problems आई या easily बन गया?
No, sir. Point to remember the point. These are the main problem. Point of which I've written in the project.
What is the learning while preparing this project? What learning did you got?
Sir, even some main things are main. Sir, I know better know about this project, and also what the GDP means, and FDI is a great knowledge from the deep of the Make in India project.
About this particular topic, you got a deep knowledge. You get to learn about certain new terms and new things by preparation of this project. So that was fantastic. What is my suggestion is, whatever things you have mentioned in your project, you just have to go through them with once or twice or thrice, so that you must be aware each and every point that you have mentioned in the project, so that whenever the questions must be asked from the project, you will be able to answer it with confidence. That is only my suggestion. Otherwise, your performance is comparatively compared to the last performance, today's performance is much better. So what is required is you just have to go through 2-3 times more with the points that have been mentioned in the project. That's it. Right? Any question from your side?
No.
Okay, so I just wish you luck. All the very best. It will be the fantastic Viva. It will be the fantastic practical tomorrow in the main examination of yours. Okay.